So I still thought it was loose-ish, so I added a third pin to help stabilize it. That's still not enough, not to my liking anyways. So enter 3D printed bracket. Supposed to go like this. Glue it in. And let's see what that does. So it seems to have stabilized a little bit, even though the dimension might have been off by like 0.5 millimeter. It's being pulled a little bit outwards, but overall it's a lot more solid. Because I don't like fixing stuff directly into my breadboards. I like to be able to recycle them if I ever want to. Although usually they spend the rest of their life laid out as whatever they were designed as. Let's see if this lasts.